Golda, unveiling treasures.
Why do we do it? Sometimes, success is only part of it.
Many times, the journey is the destination.
Some seek to escape.
Some to chase.
It's about anticipation.
It's about silence.
The primal pursuit. And the wonder of what lies above.
And beneath. When I'm out here,
I detect adventure.
I detect freedom. I detect with Minelab X-Terra Pro.
Your adventure starts here.